Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt salad. To start, select a good quality plain yogurt as your foundation. You'll also need a variety of fresh vegetables, like crisp cucumbers and juicy tomatoes, which provide a refreshing crunch. Don't forget aromatic herbs such as fresh mint or dill to elevate the taste. A squeeze of lemon juice will bring all these wonderful flavors together beautifully, creating a vibrant and delicious base for your salad. Now, let's get everything ready. Begin by thoroughly washing and finely chopping all your selected vegetables. It's important to gently pat dry any ingredients that might release excess water, like cucumbers, to keep your salad from becoming watery. Next, finely mince your fresh herbs to ensure their flavors are evenly distributed throughout. Once everything is prepped, carefully combine all these wonderful ingredients in a spacious mixing bowl, ready for the next step. With your chopped vegetables and herbs in the bowl, it's time to introduce the star ingredient, the plain yogurt. Pour it over the mixture, then season generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, gently stir everything together, ensuring that every piece of vegetable and herb is beautifully coated in the creamy yogurt. Take a moment to taste your creation and adjust the seasonings as needed, aiming for a perfectly balanced and delightful flavor profile. To truly enjoy your yogurt salad, it's best to chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For a lovely presentation, garnish with a light sprinkle of paprika or a fresh sprig of mint. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding cooked chickpeas for extra texture and protein, or incorporate a pinch of ground cumin for a warm, earthy flavor. Enjoy your delicious, homemade yogurt salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.